Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my new workout clothes I got from Northyard. I got 7-inch shorts and I got a performance t-shirt. So these are the packaging it comes in. I put it back in so you can see how it looks. But it comes in a nice hard plastic to protect it. So I'll start off with shorts. So I'm just going to spread it out a little so you can see how it looks. And then I'm going to zoom in so you can see. Let's just show you the feel. It is super thin. So this is not like a very thick material. It's kind of as thin as it could get. So it feels like nothing, which is great for working out or jogging or running and stuff like that. And it's got this nice reflective parts on the side. So it's got this dots, the logo, and in the back, it's got a reflective line over here also to help make sure that people can see you when you're jogging at night. It comes with a tag. And then the cool thing is the pockets. You can see over here is zipper shut. So that's very important when you're running around. Too many times, you have your car keys or your wallet or your phone or stuff like that. You don't want it to fall out while you're jogging. That's not what you want to think about. You just want to be able to jog in peace. So the same thing is the front pocket, and it's got the zipper. It opens really nicely. See over here. And same thing on this side. There's no zipper fly for the fly, that stays shut, and you can see it's got the reflective on the other side as well. On the inside, you can see it's got this mesh for the pocket, so it's really lightweight, like you really can hardly feel anything. I have a medium, so I'm gonna put it on in a minute so you can see how that looks on me. I am 5'7" and weigh about 170 pounds approximately. Over here is the performance t-shirt. So I'm gonna pull this out. This is called the Blue Heather in size medium as well. So this is it's a thicker feel than the shorts, but it's still very thin. I don't know if you can see how it is. It's thin, to give it some substance, but it doesn't weigh much. It's got these reflective pieces over here by the arms, on the side, and on both sides. It's got the reflective logo, and here's the name for Northyard in the size medium, and you can see it's it's kind of embedded, so you don't feel it at all. You don't feel that label. The collar, it's got this this like thicker piece over here in the back. I guess to give it some weight, so it kind of retains its shape a little nicer. Here's the back, so you can see how that looks. And here's the label, which tells you how to wash it, etc. And this has SPF 50, so you'll be protected when you're outside from the sun. So I'm gonna put them on so you can see how it looks. So here you can see how it looks while I'm wearing it. Just doing it in the mirror so you can see it nicely. The t-shirt feels really nice. As I said, I'm 5'7". I'm about a 38 short, 32 waist, so you can see it fits nicely. It's not too baggy. There's some space, but it fits pretty nicely, and the shorts are the same. It's it's really comfortable fit. Size medium, fits nicely. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below my video, and I'll try to help answer any questions you have. Thank you. Have an amazing day.